Maganda siya.
Yes! Woo! My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Ooh. Think of the word na parang nasa harapan mo siya. Isipin mo kung ginagawa siya, gawin mo kung bagay siya. Okay. Something that you are familiar with. Ginagawa mo siya maybe every day. Yeah? Hindi yun bastos, huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Feeling ko, ito yung word niya. Huwag niyo babasahin ng malakas. Medyo mahirap to, no? Yeah? Halika dito. Loud and clear. What is your word?
Maganda siya.
Yes! Woo! Lester, this one is for you. Palpakan natin si Lester. Grabe.